Can you share a recent fascination or obsession, something that's been intriguing you that you can't stop thinking about?
Yeah, there are probably two or three that have been on top of mind. And just to give you some background, so my father unfortunately went through like a really long healthcare journey of his own, and so we spent a ton of time in the healthcare system. So I'd say the first one is understanding all the different places the healthcare system is broken. And when I say broken, I mean there's so many places that it's absolutely beautiful, it's almost poetic, but the reality is that, right, as a system it doesn't function as well as it should. And so I spent a lot of time obsessing about it. I can go into in detail. The other one, and this is going to sound a little bit too meta, but really trying to understand how is a human mind wired to work, and really what is a soul per se. And I say that just because there's been a lot of kind of like transitory, I would say, events in our life where people have recently passed away, and so it just makes you stop and think, what exactly is a soul? And then the other one that I am obsessed with is I build mission driven companies, and the question you ask yourself all the time as a founder is, how can I get the rest of my employees to believe the mission and almost feel like religion or gospel to them to a certain extent, right? There's no one that's going to work as hard as a founder. And the reality is, you have to do something that brings people together and they have to believe it in a way, which almost makes it feel like this is what they're putting their life's work towards.